Today, I'm going to take you step by step through an exciting method create TikTok UGC. In this method, we are using real products, real data decisions, and we use AI to create this UGC content. It's really interesting use case for uh, TikTok UGC and TikTok affiliate marketing, but also this process has a potential to create advertisement for small businesses or e-commerce brands less costly. So this process is really important. I will show you step by step how you can create. First, let's watch our simple TikTok video.
Okay, so mornings like this, absolute vibe. I've got my coffee and this cardigan. Literal perfection. I swear I could live in this. Okay, so can we just talk about this cardigan real quick? Like, I threw it on this morning, and it's giving cozy but make it cute. The fit? Perfect. The design? A whole vibe. And the color just goes with everything. I've literally been wearing this nonstop. It's like a warm hug but make it fashion. Obsessed isn't even the word.
You see, we have a model, consistent character model, and consistent product. That's the important part because it wasn't possible to create videos like this, especially with the products, consistent products, because AI was changing products so much. But we can create this now, and I created this model, I trained this model in just 10 minutes. I will show you how it will be. First, it all started with TikTok Shop because TikTok affiliate program is so profitable. It's easier than Amazon affiliate, and bestseller products is here because based on researches in Amazon or Etsy or any other platform, it takes few days to decide to buy for customers, but in TikTok they decide to buy in few minutes. So they solve the ad, they solve the video, and they directly buy. That's why it's profitable and that's why it's easier for us. We will use color data because we can see products, we can see which product brings more revenue and which products is better for us. Also, we can see creators, how much they earn from videos, from products. After it, we will use OpenArt.ai because it's easier to create, it's faster to create LoRa's. What is LoRa? LoRa is actually a model for telling AI to create consistent character or object or style. In our case, we will use object. And we will use OpenArt because we can create our LoRa in 10 minutes and we can use this platform for creating photos too. After it, we will get our photos and we will use Runway. We will create our TikTok video. We will use ElevenLabs for voice generation, voiceover, and after, at the final point, we will create our final video in CapCut. So it's that easy. We just need these ones, especially color that data is so important and you can use it free. Also, I want to show you our school community. You can see we have a school community, Digital Success Academy, and I am sharing all this information, all the prompts, all the systems I use in this platform. Also, we are generating businesses and we make money together in this platform. That's why it's important. You can join our platform and you can reach all from our classrooms. You can learn voice agents, AI automations, all of them. So if you are serious about AI game, making money with AI, and digital success, especially AI automations and marketing solutions, you can join our school group. So let's dive in. I will show you step by step how you can create this content for your TikTok account. Everything starts with calodata.com. This tool helps you analyze TikTok Shop to discover the most popular and profitable products, identify top earning sellers, and see which videos have led to their success. With Calodata, you get access to detailed insights, including the types of content driving sales and the strategies used by successful sellers. By clicking on the creator link, you can see which users are earning money and exactly which products they're profiting from. The surprising thing here is that even creators with very few followers can make substantial earnings, and they are often just starting out. The only barrier is creating the video content itself, something we overcome with this method. The method I'm explaining here can be applied to almost any product. Non-clothing items are often even easier to create content for. However, for the sake of a challenge, I decided to stick with sweaters, specifically choosing a cardigan. The figures for this cardigan are impressive, around $575,000 in sales. Remember, finding multiple products like this and taking a small share can easily result in
It's officially fall,
making
y'all,
a
and of
few
course,
$1,000s a week.
Under $30, guys. This long sleeve hooded cardigan.
We're now looking at the use of it. It's quite impressive and
Wait one second. Are you still wearing
creating
cardigan?
similar
I own so
content
many
is
black
pretty
cardigans.
easy. You can see their earnings
Ando bien ronca, pero eso no nos va a
alongside
detener.
their
Está más frío que el corazón de tu ex.
videos.
Este día
It's
está
often
hermoso
as
para
simple
usar
as
mis cardigan que me llegó de aquí de
presenting the
TikTok Shop. Están bien lindos yo pedito. A mí no me importa verme como la loquita del centro. Realmente están muy
present the
calientes.
product as well, but in a different way. You have the option of recreating the same visuals exactly or creating content that shows the product alone without a model. In our school community, we share insights every week on the most
I'm gonna keep this short and sweet because I
profitable
legitimately want to go wear this
products
out, but this is a
and
staple.
provide
There's a
tips on
hood.
filming
She's thick.
styles
She's super.
that work best.
Llegó la temporada del
Now, we click on the product link and open up its product page. While using an app would certainly make the process easier, capturing a screen recording here adds a level of detail that's more beneficial for what we're doing. From the product page, we go through each of the detailed photos, opening them individually. These photos will be used to train our model by giving it various reference points. Normally, I'd recommend using around 15 images to get a variety of perspectives. You could also find additional images by searching on Google or checking videos that feature the product. However, for this tutorial, I'll show you that even with fewer images, you can achieve great results. When saving the images, I want to share a tip. It's crucial to label the images descriptively. In our example, naming the file cardigan front 1 actually communicates to the model that this is a front view of the cardigan. Proper naming helps organize the training dataset and allows the model to better understand different angles or perspectives of the item. Now that we have our images ready, we head over to the OpenArt website. Creating a model here is super fast, and the platform also allows you to do a range of other creative edits like converting images into 3D or cartoon styles, or even editing them similarly to Midjourney's Canvas feature. Normally, there are different methods to create LoRAs, but this is by far the quickest one. The only drawback is that it's only available for use within OpenArt, meaning you can't export it for use elsewhere. However, for our purposes, this is the most efficient and straightforward solution. On the left menu, you click on Models, which will bring up the model training section. I've already trained a model as a test, but I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Since we are creating a product model, you select Object as a type. Then, it's crucial to give it an appropriate name because we will use this name in the model prompt later. For the description, I'll use the product title itself. Once we've named it and given a description, we also upload the photos we've gathered. After this, simply click on Train to start generating the model. After clicking on Create, we move on to the section where we generate images. Here, we select Photorealistic Style under Custom Settings, which allows us to generate the most realistic representation of our product. In the Custom Strings section, we add descriptive prompts that accurately reflect the characteristics we want to see in the generated images. Finally, in the Model section, we choose the model we trained earlier. This model is tailored to the specific features of our product, using the photos we provided during the training process to generate high-quality, true-to-life visuals. When you're initially separating the model and setting prompts, it's possible that the generated visual might not be exactly what you want. This is normal, and it often requires adjusting the prompts and weights. As I've shown in previous examples, you can fine-tune these weights to better align with your expectations. One key tip is that as long as you don't refresh the page and continue using the same prompt, the generated output will keep using the same seed, leading to consistent results. This can be helpful for consistency, especially if you are satisfied with most of the design but want to fine-tune specific elements. For example, with the cardigan's pattern and texture, it's helpful to keep the model weight at around 0.9. This weight balances both the model influence and the prompt influence effectively, allowing for realistic rendering of both the pattern and the fabric. As you can see, we can recreate the cardigan just as we found it on TikTok using the same model. We can also achieve very different visual styles by using tools like Comfy UI or employing the in-paint method, which allows us to adjust and personalize specific parts of the image to achieve a more amateur or homemade aesthetic. This video aims to demonstrate just how powerful this method can be, taking a simple concept from a TikTok trend and producing visually compelling content. The goal is to show the wide range of possibilities that come with adjusting models and using different prompt settings, all while keeping a consistent, recognizable visual element. Once all the visuals are prepared, we can upscale our them within OpenArt to enhance their quality and make them ready for downloading. Upscaling adds more definition and detail, resulting in a more realistic and visually impressive output. With correctly crafted prompts, I believe the success rate of creating desired visuals is about 85% picture, which is quite high. The right use of prompts along with consistent model weights and settings ensures that the generated images are consistently on target. The final outputs, after upscaling, are not only sharper but also far more suitable for professional use. By simply making adjustments to the prompt file, you can easily generate other colors of the cardigan. You can even produce different patterns and as well. Just specify the desired color or pattern in the prompt, and the AI will adapt accordingly. This flexibility makes it incredibly versatile, especially for product variations. Whether you want to showcase the cardigan in black, beigette, or any other color, or even try out a floral or striped pattern. This way, you can create diverse product visuals without needing to train a completely new model. By the way, I'm sharing all the prompts, configurations, and step-by-step instructions as a document in our school community. You can also pause the video to take a screenshot if that's easier for you. Additionally, if you want to learn how to set up the whole system step by step, I'm more than happy to assist you within the group. This way, you won't just have the knowledge, you'll also have all the resources and support to make your own TikTok campaigns using these methods. I've chosen all the visuals according to our storyline and upscaled them. Next, we'll move on to the video creation part. This is where we'll compile everything into a seamless, engaging TikTok video that tells the story with the cardigan. To create the film, we'll be using Runway. For faster production or scenarios requiring more dynamic movement, Minimax or Kling could also be great options. However, since I'm aiming for a more cinematic feel, Runway will be the best fit for this particular video. With its robust tools for video editing and AI capabilities, Runway will help us bring out the true storytelling element of the visuals, resulting in a high-quality, polished final video. Starting from the first image, we proceed step by step. I'll also share the prompts in our school group, so everyone has easy access. We'll create each scene individually, and in most cases, it won't take too many attempts. In fact, all the visuals could be ready in about 10 minutes. The key is to follow the prompts carefully and make any necessary adjustments as we go along to get the best output. I'll speed up the process by generating each scene individually and then selecting the best options. This way, we can ensure the film aligns perfectly with our vision while keeping efficiency in mind. Each scene will be produced according to its unique needs, and after creating them, I'll pick the most fitting visuals to make the overall narrative flow smoothly. Since our approach focuses on UGC user-generated content, we need to create similar styles ourselves. For this, we'll be using ElevenLabs for voiceovers. I've selected a pre-made voice from their library, but you can also design your own voice for a unique touch. Typically, using just a sentence or a short paragraph yields the best quality results. This allows us to keep the narrative impactful and authentic while maintaining clarity and high quality. Once the voiceover is ready, we combine everything into the final video using
I got my coffee and
Remember, you don't need
Again,
to fill
literal perfection. I swear I could live in this.
the entire footage you generated. Sometimes specific sections are really strong, and using just those parts can work best.
Okay, so can we just talk about this cardigan real quick? Like, I threw it on this morning, and it's getting cozy but make it cute.
So it's perfectly fine to pick the most compelling
The fit,
segment.
perfect. The pockets,
This
the whole
way,
vibe. And the color just goes with
keep the
everything.
Video engaging and authentic. And there you have
I've
it. This entire video shows just how simple and powerful
Goes with everything.
this
I've literally been wearing this
method
nonstop.
for
It's like a warm hug, but make it fashion. Obsessed isn't even the word.
Content that grabs attention. Starting from Calodata, we identified top-selling products, leveraged AI tools like OpenArt to generate photo.
Okay, so mornings like this, absolute vibe. I mean, the sunlight, my coffee, this cardigan, chef's kiss. I got my coffee and this cardigan, literal perfection. I swear I could live in this.
Using Runway and CapCut. This is more than just about creating content. It's about being strategic.
So mornings like this, absolute vibe. I mean, the sun.
Automation and reducing the manual work while still achieving excellent results. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your current,
I got my coffee and this cardigan, literal perfection. I swear I could live in this. Okay, so can we just talk about this cardigan real quick? Like, I threw it on this morning, and it's getting cozy but make it cute. The fit, perfect. The pockets, the whole vibe. And the color just goes with everything. I've literally been wearing this nonstop. It's like a warm hug but make it fashion. Obsessed isn't even the word.
A community that shares the best tools, resources, and strategies weekly. Make sure to join the Digital Success Academy. I'll guide you step by step and help you set up these systems so you can also start creating viral content. Let's make content creation a smooth and profitable journey together. Just click the link in the description and let's get started. If you found this video helpful or inspiring,
Vibe. I got my coffee and this cardigan, literal perfection. I swear I could live in this.
Follow for
Okay,
more
so can we just talk about this cardigan real quick? Like, I threw it on this morning, and it's getting cozy but make it cute. The fit, perfect. The design, the whole vibe. And the color just goes with everything. I've literally been wearing this nonstop. It's like a warm hug but make it fashion. Obsessed isn't even the word.
And we'd love to hear what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.